Hello, my love. Before we begin, I want you to know you were guided to this meditation for a reason. There is nothing accidental about this moment. There's nothing random about you being here. Your soul is ready to remember something you may have forgotten, but something that has always been true. This meditation is here to gently guide you back into the energy of your worth, your softness, your natural magnetism. So take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale, slowly and completely. Let your shoulders drop. Let your body soften. Let your whole face relax. There is nowhere else you need to be. Nothing else you need to do. Just allow yourself to receive. Now, as you continue to breathe slowly, you begin to feel a soft, warm light surrounding your body. It wraps around you gently, like comfort, like safety, like something familiar. And as this light settles into you, you begin to remember you were never unworthy, not for a second, not for a moment. Even in the times you doubted yourself, even in the moments you questioned your value, you were always worthy. There is something about you, something quiet, something powerful, something deeply enchanting. People feel it, even when you say nothing. You don't need to chase. You don't need to prove. You don't need to earn love. Because you are the energy that people are naturally drawn to. Effortlessly, softly, magnetically. Feel that now, as if a gentle glow is building inside your chest. A soft radiance, expanding and growing. This is your energy, your natural magnetism. Feel it in your chest, building inside you. And now, just listen and allow these words to sink deep into your subconscious. I am worthy of love, exactly as I am. I am more than enough in every moment. I do not need to change to be chosen. I am already chosen. People feel drawn to me without knowing why. There is something about me that lingers in their mind, in their heart. I am unforgettable. I am deeply desired. I am naturally magnetic. The more I relax into who I am, the more others feel pulled toward me. The more I simply exist, the more I am desired. I am not chasing, I am attracting. I am not seeking validation. I am the validation. You are the prize. You have always been the prize. There is something about your energy that cannot be replaced. Something people remember. Something they return to. And now, imagine you're a specific person thinking about you. Your presence entering their mind so naturally, so effortlessly. They feel you. They miss you. They are drawn to you. There is something about you they cannot explain, but they feel it deeply. And the more they feel it, the more they want you. You don't need to force anything. You don't need to control anything. Because your energy is already doing everything for you. You are captivating without trying. You are desired without effort. You are chosen again and again. Let this feeling settle deeper into your body, into your mind, and into your identity. You are so worthy of love, real love, consistent love. You are worthy of being chosen fully, clearly, without confusion. And as you embody this truth, your reality begins to reflect it. People notice you. People feel you. Everyone is drawn to you. Because you remember who you are. You are not someone to overlook. You are someone who leaves an imprint. Now just rest here in this feeling. No effort, no resistance, just being in this moment. And as this meditation gently comes to an end, know this: you can take this energy with you into your day, moving with quiet confidence and soft magnetism and deep, unshakable worth. Or you can drift into sleep with this energy, allowing it to sink deeper into your subconscious, where it continues to transform your reality effortlessly. Either way, this energy stays with you. It becomes you, because it always was you. Sending you so much love.